Aloha guys, what's up? We are here in Moana Mall. We figured we'd come out today and practice some
Acro yoga. And one thing that is really amazing about Hawaii is that you can work out outdoors all year round. Well, right now it's winter time, and whenever it's not raining, it's a little bit overcast, which is not too hot, and it's just a perfect day to work out.
Here in Moana Park, there's always a lot going on, a lot happening. There's always canoeing and jogging, bike riders.
They do outdoor group workouts too.
Yeah, all different types of meetups and stuff. So we're here doing Acro yoga today.
It's always much more fun to work out with your friends. So we're here with our friends Rochelle and Matt, and we are going to do some Acro yoga practice.
So let's get into it.
Moana Park is also famous for gathering. A lot of major events are happening here. Annual lantern lighting festival is usually located here, and we have done a video from the last year. This year it was cancelled. Families come here at the weekend for barbecue or just to hang out. You can see a lot of tents with just huge families hanging out here. It's also very famous for photo shoots. You can see here a lot of wedding photography or just people taking photos. It is magical for sunsets. That's why this part of Moana Park is called Magic Island. There is also a really beautiful Moana Lagoon is located right at the tip of the Magic Island Park, and it's really nice to just come and chill out, hang out here. There is a lot of shade, there are a lot of trees, and the grass is very nice and cushiony. That's why a lot of people like to work out here. But before we get started training, let me introduce you to our friends. This is Matt.
Aloha.
And this is his girlfriend, Rochelle.
Close.
The sun is going down much faster. During winter, the sunset is earlier.
Yeah, what time is it?
So,
It's only 5:30 and the sun is already setting. Winter time in
yeah,
Hawaii.
we did a productive training session today.
Yoga experience.
And as usual,
Just
be
be
out
out
with
with
us.
There you go.